thunderstorm was located near Lamar, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Stockton Lake, Lamar, Greenfield, Lockwood, Jasper, Golden City, Miller, Nashville, Everton, Carytown, Danville, Jericho Springs, Lamar Heights, Howtown, South Greenfield, Irwin, Arcola, Chesapeake, Milford, and Maple Grove. This includes the following highways: Interstate 44 between mile markers 50 and 58. Interstate 49 between mile markers 51 and 76. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Missouri: Barton, Cedar, Dade, Jasper, and Lawrence. The current time is 13.